Welcome to another episode of Heartdeco Wonders. Today we're going to be showing you 3 exercises on how to grow your booty. You'll need 3 of our products, which is all available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. The first one is this TPE yoga mat, and it has a pink at the bottom and purple at the top. These 2 adjustable silicone weights, which you can either put on your wrists or on your ankles. And then these booty bands, which are also an exercise band. So you can either put it right here on your arms or right down here by your waist or your legs, and then you can start using this exercise band. Let's set up! Is going to be side lunges. We're going to be doing 10 reps of 3 sets. So for this exercise, I'll be using the medium gray exercise band in the 3 sets. So we're down on the mat and we're going to be doing 10 reps of 3 sets of the cross kick butt kicks. So we are doing 10 reps of 3 sets. We're going to be going down flat on your back, and then we're going to do hip thrusts. And that's it, guys. These are your 3 workouts to grow your booty.